In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice on Arc Raiders. If you've been curious about switching up how your character sounds to others, the game makes it quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, look along the top row of tabs and move to the Audio tab. This is where the game groups everything related to sound, chat, and voice features. So you'll find what you need here without digging through unrelated options. Inside the Audio tab, scroll down until you reach a section labeled Raider Voice Beta. That beta tag simply means the feature is still being refined, so names, options, or placement might evolve over time. But the core idea remains the same. Raider Voice lets you choose a voice for your Raider and changes how you sound in both party chat and proximity chat. Party chat is what your squad hears, no matter where you are in the world, while proximity chat is what nearby players hear when you're close to them. Changing your Raider voice applies to both, so your teammates and anyone in earshot will hear the new sound. This doesn't affect your gameplay or your stats. It's purely about how your voice is transformed in real time. In the Raider voice section, you'll see up to 10 different voices to choose from. Pick the one that matches your style, whether you want something subtle and grounded or something more stylized. Keep in mind that clarity matters during intense fights, so choose a voice that's easy for your squad to understand over explosions and background noise. If you play with the same group often, you might prefer a voice that your team can instantly recognize, which can make callouts feel more consistent. Because this feature is in beta, options may occasionally change or improve, and some playlists or regions might see minor differences. The change typically applies immediately once you select a voice, so you don't have to back out of the game or restart anything. If you ever want to switch, just return to the same spot in Settings and choose a different voice. There's no penalty for trying them out. That's all there is to it. Head into Settings, go to the Audio tab at the top, scroll down to Raider Voice Beta, and pick from up to 10 voices to define how you sound in party and proximity chat. Enjoy finding the voice that best fits your Raider and your style of play.